What you're about to learn in the next 5 minutes or so is the ability to make any women go crazy on you. Women are tough, and yes, I do believe in it. But it's just like bread and butter for a real playboy. The thing is, all the other guys don't know exactly what to do and speak when having a conversation with the ladies. Don't worry, my friends, as I'm gonna tell you a few interesting traits with which you can make women go wild on you. Here we go. Number 1, be hard to get. Don't just play, but instead be hard to get. This is how women identify their worth as high value. Make small moves with her by making her think you're really into her, and then get back a few steps to make her think of what's happening. She will come around herself, trying to figure out what's happening. Women often chase high value men. The way you're supposed to have to change, as well as your ideology. These are the key factors to make yourself more commanding and powerful. Number 2, attract the ladies around you. Make women around you feel a connection with you. Make that woman know you have ladies around you. Make her think of making action as soon as possible. Because there are women waiting for you. This makes her tense, making her think she's gonna lose you if not take a step early. Women want men who are quite often surrounded by women. They want ones that are difficult to obtain. Clearly, every woman is jealous of women around a man they like. This should be done by being cautious. Don't do it too much, because it has pretty good chances to fire back. When applied on the limit, it works like wonders. Number 3, be a man full of surprises. Don't be the guy next door. Make yourself a more interesting, fun, and spontaneous person around her and when with others. While she's expecting the date to happen at a restaurant, get her surprised by taking her on a bike ride to your favorite spot in the city. Catch her off guard. See what she does, but don't be a stalker. Catch all her cutest pretty moments and tease her. Make her life exciting, and she won't be able to resist you. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.